To integrate with Zapier, go to the Team settings and scroll down to Integration Settings. Under Integrations, locate the Zapier section and click on Get API Key. Then click on the eye icon to view and copy the API key or generate a new one if needed. To add the API key in Zapier, start by clicking on Apps in the left menu. Next, click Add Connection to set up the connection. Use the search bar to find SmartReach, then click on it. A new window will pop up, paste your API key there. Once you've added the key, you're all set to connect with SmartReach. To create a workflow, start by selecting the event that will trigger the Zap, choose Google Sheets as the trigger app and set the trigger event to New or Updated Spreadsheet Row. This will trigger when a new row is added or modified in Sheet. Connect your account and click Continue. Next, configure the setup by selecting the spreadsheet from your Google Drive, the specific worksheet, and the trigger column. Once done, click Continue and test your trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. Select the record and click Continue. In the pop-up, choose SmartReach. As you can see, the workflow's next step has been created. In the next step, select an action event from the list, such as Create Prospect. Now, to configure, click on Continue. Next, map the fields by clicking on the plus icon. For the email field, select the email from the data list. Similarly, map all other fields as needed. Review the mapping carefully, then click on Test Step to proceed. It'll just take a few seconds. Once it's done, hit Publish. After that, your Zap will go live, and if you want, you can choose to transfer any existing data if you want. After selecting Transfer Data, wait a few seconds for it to load the data from your sheet. Once the data is loaded, use the checkboxes to select all the contacts you want to send to the destination, then click on the next tab. Finally, hit Send Data to transfer the data to SmartReach. The data transfer will take a few minutes, and you'll get an email notification once it's done. Now that my Google Sheet is integrated with SmartReach, let's check the workflow. As you can see, we've successfully migrated the data during the integration process. Let's add some data to the rows in our existing Google Sheet, which is already integrated with SmartReach via Zap. For example, we'll add details like email, first name, last name, and more. We've added 2 new rows to the Google Sheet, and as you can see, they've been updated in SmartReach. The update may take a few minutes to reflect.